What's going on, everybody? I got my car back. I stated my last video. I picked it up last Friday. It's Tuesday today. Tomorrow's the big day, Big Dyno day. Switching my car to E85 or tuning it on E85. Got a couple things I gotta do to it. I gotta wash her up. She's pretty dirty outside, inside, because we're gonna take a couple videos tomorrow. Hopefully we do some race pulls tomorrow. Reese's Cars is coming by tomorrow also. He's gonna stop by and he wants to do a comparison, side-by-side comparison, which car is faster. I'm gonna smoke this dude. So I know you're watching this. Dude, tomorrow I'm gonna smoke you really bad. So be prepared for that. It's probably gonna make you wanna upgrade your car power-wise. But nah, it should be fun. Should be fun. We're gonna get my car tuned at IMW. It's in Pennsylvania, tuned by Derek. He's been my tuner since I got the Honda Flash Pro. And there's a couple more things I got to do to the car. Like I said, I got to clean the air filter, the air intake filter. Got to do that. Remount the speedometer module. It's just hanging inside my car, so I got to find a spot to mount it. Hopefully I have time today to do it. What else? Jose from Merc Racing. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but the Merc Racing team is coming today, later tonight. So we're gonna roll together to IMW. But he's gonna bring a bigger throttle body. I don't remember if it's a J35 or a J37. I think it's a 35, don't quote me, but either or, it's a bigger throttle body. We're gonna take it to the tuning shop and hopefully switch it there. And just to see, you know, this would free up a lot of horsepower. I mean, the stock throttle body is good to an extent, but being boosted, especially on a supercharger setup, we need as much air sucked into the supercharger as possible. So I've even read that people on NA forum just switching to an RBC intake manifold and a bigger throttle body, they gain 20 wheel horsepower, and that's just NA, straight NA. So I could only imagine what just this throttle body will gain. So I just want to keep this short. I'm gonna probably check in again and do a bunch of snippets and put it all together. So I'm gonna go wash the car. I'll take a video after I wash it, and I'll probably just take a video of me clean the filter. Also, in the future, I do have a lot of parts that I got back. Gonna do my initial review, do a video of my initial reviews, and FX300 clutch, all I could say is a great clutch, man. I'll show you guys pictures later, but just look out for my future reviews with a lot of the parts that I changed. So I'm gonna end it there. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. It started to rain. I was washing my car. I was about done anyway, so I just had to rinse it off again. But for a lot of people that I had this issue once I put my aftermarket exhaust. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got black soot all over the back of my car, and this is me after washing it. So soap and sponge and water did not get rid of this stuff. So I was on the forum, man. I was just like, man, I really need to well, I was on a couple forums and searching online. I was like, man, I really need to somehow figure it out how to get rid of this stuff, because it would not come off. Only way it could come off if I was actually like rubbing my finger against it and pressing really hard. But I didn't want to start scratching the paint. So there's one person, everyone said, hey, use this. I tried it, it didn't work. So this one person was like, hey, use this Carnauba wax. And I should have done this video when I first had it, and it got rid of it just like that. So I just waited for it to build up again so I could show you guys real quick. So I'll show you. Oh man. So basically what I do is I just apply a little bit here. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I mean, it comes right off. Just like that. Nothing else will make it come off. Soap, sponge, don't matter. I'm gonna wash this off afterwards, but see if you can see that spot right there. Gone. So anyways, just a quick video. If you guys have any soot buildup on a white car especially, get this wax, man. It's not that expensive. And get one of these pads, rub it on there, and wash it off afterwards, it's perfectly fine. It works wonders. All right, I'll finish washing up the car, gonna wash in the interior, finish cleaning my filter, and I guess I'll catch back with you. It's not raining. I'm about to dry off the car. Before I did that, I used the K&N air filter cleaner, sprayed this down, soaked it just with just hose, just on the soaker setting on my nozzle, and it's not dry yet. Still, water's dripping down. Just waiting for it to dry, and then I will apply the K&N the oil onto it, then I'll reinstall it inside the car. Also, one thing I have left to do is clean the interior. Once I dry off the exterior, just clean the interior, and I think that's about it. After that, I think what else I need to do. I think that's about it with the car. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait till Merc Racing gets up here and show them, you know, where's hotel at, and then we'll just go from there. So stay tuned. Plenty of videos tomorrow. I'll try to upload them tomorrow after after the dyno, and upload the couple runs that we're gonna do. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Car is somewhat cleaned off. It's just getting too hot out here, man. Just did a quick wipe down. Usually what I tend to do is, because it rained, I didn't do this, but I usually drive the car after I wash it, air dry it, and then come back and then wipe down the other water spots. So here she is, wiped down. I'm gonna clean the interior. Ran out of tire shine, so no tire shine for this wash. Gonna do the interior. Hopefully the filter is dry. If not, I'm gonna let it sit overnight, or do it later this evening, oil it up and install the filter. But I don't know if this will be my last video, maybe not. I'm not 100% sure. I might do a video of me oiling the air filter, but we'll see. I'm just trying to get things done. I still got a lot of things to do before tomorrow. All right, interior is somewhat clean. I wiped everything down. I got to really detail the floor mats, because the WeatherTech, once they get dirty, you got to really scrub them pretty hard to get rid of all those stains. But other than that, car's ready for dyno tomorrow. And let's take a shot at the engine bay. And that's it right there. So this will definitely be my last video till tomorrow. Tomorrow's the big day. I'm exhausted right now, but I'm really excited. Hopefully I can make at least 450 to the wheel. I'm really thinking what I think is really gonna happen. It's gonna be close to 500 to the wheel. I think it'll be probably 475, 480, because I completely forgot that we are changing the throttle body to a bigger throttle body. So that itself should gain a lot of horsepower. So 4 PSI increase, throttle body, and switching to ethanol. So we'll see, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like I said, hopefully I'll upload the same day that I do the dyno video. So I'll keep you guys posted. If not, go check out either Reese's Cars on IG or his YouTube, or Jose Merc Racing on YouTube or his IG. Especially for the IG, if you guys want instant updates, they're on there more than I am. I'm rarely on. So that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys next time.